Imagine you're about to hang out with friends, or just chilling at home, but your music sounds dull, low, and lifeless. That's when you truly realize how much a good speaker matters. Now, what if you had a compact speaker that not only looks premium, but also delivers powerful sound with deep bass, without costing a fortune? Today, we're checking out something that might completely upgrade your listening experience. Hello, everyone! Today, we're taking a closer look at the BUGAni Brief TT Portable Bluetooth Speaker, a stylish and powerful speaker built for music lovers who are always on the move. Right from the moment you pick up the box, you'll notice useful details printed on it, like USB-C charging and audio playback support, giving you a clear idea that this is a modern and feature-rich device. Let's begin with the unboxing. The box slides open smoothly, revealing the speaker right at the top. Inside, you'll also find a welcome card, a user manual, and related documentation. Along with that, there's a Type-C to Type-C cable included for charging. The speaker itself comes wrapped in a soft fabric protective pouch, and the moment you take it out, it instantly gives off a premium feel. The design is definitely eye-catching. The gold and black color combination, along with engraved branding, gives it a high-end look. The front is covered with a mesh fabric that adds both style and protection, while the overall build feels sturdy and durable. Even though the bottom part looks metallic, it's actually plastic, but still feels solid and well-built. On both sides, you'll find dual woofers that help produce deeper bass, making your music feel more powerful. There are also air vents to optimize sound performance. On the top panel, all the essential controls are neatly placed, including the power button, Bluetooth button, play, pause, and volume controls. The bottom features rubber grips to keep the speaker stable on any surface. On the side, there's a USB-C port for both charging and audio input. You'll also find a hidden hanger loop that you can pull out when needed, making it easy to hang or carry, and tuck it back in when not in use to keep the design clean. Now let's turn it on. Press and hold the power button, and the speaker starts with a sound cue. Instantly, you'll notice the RGB lights on both sides, which continuously change colors and create a vibrant atmosphere. Connecting it to your phone is quick and simple. Just enable Bluetooth, select BUGAni Brief TT from the list, and it pairs within seconds. If you charge it up with the USB-C cable, you can see that power button turns red. Once connected, it's time to test the sound.
Sound quality देखें.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is painful, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.
Even at moderate volume, the speaker sounds impressively loud and clear. When pushed to maximum volume, it delivers powerful output that easily fills the space. The bass performance stands out, thanks to the dual woofers, and overall, the sound is rich, balanced, and enjoyable. If you want a speaker that does more than just play music, something that enhances your entire listening vibe, this is definitely worth considering. With a strong 60-watt output, it can fill a room with immersive sound effortlessly. Despite its compact size, it produces deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Another great feature is its IP67 water and dust resistance, which means you can take it to the beach, poolside, or even on camping trips without worrying about damage. It's built to handle rough environments while still delivering great performance. And it's not just about sound. The RGB lighting adds a fun and dynamic touch, turning any environment into a lively setup. Whether you're having a small gathering or just relaxing at night, the lights sync perfectly with the mood. Plus, the latest Bluetooth technology ensures fast pairing and a stable connection, so you won't have to deal with interruptions. The portable design, along with its built-in handle, makes it super easy to carry wherever you go. Overall, the BUGAni Brief TT offers a perfect combination of power, style, and convenience. So, to wrap things up, the BUGAni Brief TT portable Bluetooth speaker is a great option if you're looking for a durable, stylish, and high-performance speaker for everyday use or travel. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to learn more or get one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.